So you want to start with some tubes of lipstick. These can be samples, maybe ones that you've used up. Then you want an empty palette. Now, the first thing you want to do is grab some labels, and I am going to write the name of each color onto a portion of this label. Then I can cut them out and stick them on the bottom of the palette so I know which color is which. Now it's time to add the lipstick. So you're going to need a small tea light, a metal spoon. So you're going to grab your first tube of lipstick, and I also have a paper plate and a knife so I can cut off a small piece on the top. You could also cut it right off and put it right in the spoon. Add a small piece of lipstick to the spoon. You can always add more later, but you don't want it to overflow. Light that tea light and hold the spoon about 2 inches above the flame. If you get it too close, you risk bubbling and damaging the lipstick or blackening the spoon. Then carefully pour the contents of the spoon into the correct cavity of your palette. These set up and cool really quickly, and now I have 2 lipstick palettes that I can easily see my colors on without having to go through all my tubes. I can use my finger or a lip brush to apply these.